Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be giving you another quick tutorial, this time on how to create a sound triggered from a touch event in the Steam Environments Hammer Editor. So, the first thing that you're going to want to do is, if you don't already have an ambient generic, you're going to want to create one of those. In my last video I showed how to customize and create a customized sound for your ambient generic, but in this one we are going to cover just how the creation side of it. So in the entity tool right here with the light bulb, you can just go ahead and type AM, to pop up ambient generic, or you can just scroll down here, click it, and then drag it onto, or just click anywhere in your map, and it will create a new ambient generic. In my case, I already have one, and then you're also going to want to give it a unique name. I'm calling mine playable sound, and this unique name is going to be used later in reference to our touch event. So the next thing you're going to want to do is create a bounding volume in which this volume will be used to play the sound when you touch it. So we need to scale this down because I'm going to be using it essentially to cover the little head prop that you see on that table. Perfect. I'm going to try to align this, disable snapping, because snapping makes things a little bit too difficult to maneuver their positioning. And put it right over here. Let's get that a little bit higher up. And I'm just going to stretch it just a little bit more. Okay, so we have that good. And then the next thing you're going to want to do in order to convert it into a triggerable entity is click Control T, and this will change it into a class of trigger multiple. And here you can add customize outputs, and this is where you're going to basically bind your VR touch event to the sound. So here we're going to want to add, and this will be under on start touch for the output name, and the entity we're going to want to reference playable sound, which is our ambient generic. And also we're going to want to use under via this input, use play sound here. And here you can set a delay timer in which how many times, the frequency at which you can trigger the event. So I'm going to set a small delay, or actually a rather large delay, maybe like 5 seconds, so it's not super spammable. I'm sorry about that. So that was actually incorrect information. You do want this set to 0 so that it can play the sound immediately. I think I had confused it with this property here on the trigger multiple delay before reset, and this is basically the cooldown timer for how many times you can trigger it to play the sound in the amount of time that you set. That way it's not playing duplicates of the sound at the same time. So we can set that to as long as the sound file, basically. I don't know the exact duration, but I'm going to set this to 30 seconds. And we're just going to go ahead and close that, save it, and we're going to do a quick run of this. Let me make sure my controller's on. And here we go. So as soon as we gently put our controller within range of the bounding box, it plays the sound effect. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys. I'm going to try to make some more SteamVR Environments related tutorial videos, but thank you for for sticking around. Make sure to like the videos, and I hope to make some more